Today I am reviewing Sony WH-CH520 wireless Bluetooth headphones. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a wireless headphone that strikes the perfect balance between comfort, sound quality, and long-lasting battery life, the Sony WH-CH520 wireless headphones might just be the best choice for you. These headphones combine Sony's signature audio performance with modern-day features like Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity, multi-device pairing, and an incredibly long 50-hour battery life, all packed into a lightweight, stylish design that's easy to wear anywhere, anytime. Let's start with what really sets the WH-CH520 apart: battery life. Sony has packed an unbelievable 50 hours of playtime on a single charge, which means you can go several days, or even weeks, without reaching for the charger. Whether you're traveling, working remotely, or just listening throughout the day, you won't have to worry about running out of juice. And if you ever do, a quick 3-minute charge gives you up to 1.5 hours of playback, perfect for those moments when you're in a hurry and need your music right away. Now, let's talk about sound quality, which is where Sony has always excelled. The WH-CH520 uses dynamic 30mm drivers and supports DSEE, digital sound enhancement engine, a powerful feature that restores the details lost in compressed music files. So even when you're streaming audio from your phone or a low bitrate source, the sound feels rich, clear, and full of life. Every beat, vocal, and instrument feels balanced, not too heavy on the bass, but still punchy enough to keep you immersed in your playlist. One of the highlights of these headphones is the customizable sound profile through the Sony Headphones Connect app. You can tweak the equalizer to your liking, whether you prefer deep bass, crisp highs, or a warm, balanced tone. This level of personalization lets you shape your listening experience exactly how you want it. Comfort is another major win for the WH-CH520. The on-ear design is lightweight, just about 5 ounces, making them super comfortable for long listening sessions. The soft ear pads and adjustable headband ensure a snug but breathable fit, even if you're wearing them for hours during travel, work, or casual listening. Plus, the swivel ear cups make it easy to slip them on and off, or fold them flat for storage. For hands-free calls, Sony includes a built-in microphone that delivers crystal-clear voice pickup. Whether you're on a video call, taking a quick phone call, or joining an online meeting, your voice stays sharp and easy to hear without background noise interference. The WH-CH520 also supports multipoint connection, a very handy feature that lets you connect 2 devices at once. You can listen to music on your laptop, and when a call comes in on your phone, the headphones automatically switch over. No manual pairing or disconnecting required. This seamless transition makes multitasking incredibly convenient. Connecting these headphones to your devices couldn't be easier. Thanks to Fast Pair for Android and Swift Pair for Windows, you can instantly connect without digging through complicated Bluetooth settings. And if you ever misplace them, the headphones can even be tracked using Google's Find My Device app, a small but useful addition for peace of mind. When it comes to design, Sony keeps it sleek and modern. The WH-CH520 comes in 6 color options: black, blue, white, pink, yellow, and cappuccino, so you can match your style perfectly. The plastic build feels durable yet lightweight, and the matte finish resists fingerprints, keeping them looking clean even after daily use. These headphones use Bluetooth 5.2, giving you stable connectivity up to 10 meters away from your device. That means no annoying dropouts or lag when you're watching videos, gaming, or listening to podcasts. While the WH-CH520 doesn't feature active noise cancellation, the snug on-ear fit and soft padding provide a natural level of sound isolation, enough to keep you focused in moderately noisy environments. Overall, the Sony WH-CH520 wireless headphones are a fantastic choice for anyone who values reliable performance, all-day comfort, and exceptional battery life. They're perfect for students, commuters, and professionals who want a dependable pair of headphones for both work and entertainment. With crisp sound, customizable EQ, easy pairing, and effortless call management, they deliver an experience that feels premium without the premium price tag. If you want a pair of affordable yet high-quality wireless headphones that can keep up with your lifestyle, from morning commutes to weekend getaways, the Sony WH-CH520 definitely deserves a spot at the top of your list. These headphones are more than just a listening device. They're your everyday audio companion, built to perform, last, and sound amazing, no matter where life takes you.